A very good morning to you all, my dear students. I hope you are all fine and safe in your home. Isn't it? Okay, good. Now I will show the homework review. Just verify your answer. Question. Using long division method, find the square root of 10,404. Now we can split into period wise. First 1. 1 is the first period. Next 04, then 04. We have 3 periods. Now we can take first period. 1 into 1. 1 is 1. Isn't it? That remainder is 0. Now we can take next period. Bring down 04. Now we have new dividend 04. That is 4 is the new dividend. So we can add 1 0 in the quotient. So we have that quotient is 10. That quotient is twice that quotient, 10 into 2, 20. Then again next period we can add, so 04. Now we have the new dividend is 404. Isn't it? Okay. Now we can add here 2. So new divisor is 202 and quotient 102. Now multiply by 2. 202 into 2, 404. Equal to 0. Remainder is 0. So the square root of 10,404 is equal to 102. Let's start our maths class. Okay. Last class we are learned finding the square root of a number by long division method. Isn't it? Today we are going to study about finding the square root of a decimal number. Okay. Last class we are learned finding the square root of a number by long division method. Isn't it? Okay. Today we are going to study about finding the square root of a decimal number. Okay. One example. Find the square root of 299.229. Okay. Step 1. The number will be divided into periods. Okay. Now here that number is given 299.29. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Odd number of digits. Isn't it? So here first period. Here 1, 2 number, 1 period. Isn't it? Now right to left we can draw the bar. First 2 numbers, next 2 numbers, then only 1. First period is only 1 digit because this is odd number of digit. Okay, this is the first step. Now, second step, the first divisor and quotient is 1. How? Here, now here bar, this 2 number, next 2 number, this is the first period, isn't it? Now, already we know 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, isn't it? 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100. Isn't it? Now here first period is 2. Now here 2 means here 1 after 4, isn't it? 4 means more than 2. So we can't take this. So we can take 1 square, 1 into 1. So 1 is 1. Remainder is 1. Okay. The first divisor and quotient also 1. Clear? This is the second step. Now third step, the digits in the next period, that is 99, are down to the right of remainder 1, which forms the next dividend. Thus 199 is the new dividend. Now listen here. Here this is the first period, isn't it? Then second period, this is third period, isn't it? Now we can take this dividend here, 99, bring down right of this remainder, isn't it? So we got 199 is a new dividend. So isn't it? 199 is a new dividend. Clear? That is the step 3. Now clear? Step 1, step 2 and step 3. Okay. Okay, step 4. The new divisor is twice of 1 followed by another digit. Isn't it? Here, what's the quotient? 1. This is twice of 1. Twice means 1 into 2. Multiply by 2. So, we will get one new divisor. That is 2. Then we want to find what's the number here. Okay, we want to fill this blank. Okay, now here, what's the number here? One's digit is 9. One's digit 9 means, what are the numbers possible? 3 square is equal to 9. Then 7 square is equal to 49. One's digit is 9. So, we can apply, first we can apply 3. 3 means here 23 into 3, isn't it? 23 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 669. But we need 199. So we can apply that 7, isn't it? 7 means 27 into 7. 27 into 7, 7 7s are 49, 4 balance, 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 4, 18. 189, isn't it? So 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 8 is 1. Now we get one new remainder, that is 10. Okay, new remainder is 10. This is the fourth step. Now step 1. The next period is the decimal part of the number. The decimal is placed after 7 in the quotient. Now listen here. Already we bring down here 99, isn't it? Now we have one decimal part. Next decimal part. So this point, this decimal part placed after, decimal is placed after 7 in the quotient. Okay, placed after this decimal. Okay, now we can bring down next period, that is 29. Now we can bring down 1029 is the new dividend. Okay, now we have one new dividend. What is the divisor now here? 27, isn't it? 27. Now we have one new dividend. Okay, now step 6. Okay, the new divisor is twice the quotient, which is 2 into 17 equal to 34, followed by a blank. Now listen here, what's the step 6? Now here 299.29. Now we got one new dividend, that is 1029, isn't it? Now we want to multiply by 2 in the quotient, isn't it? What's the quotient? 17. Okay, the new divisor, here we want to write one new divisor is twice the quotient, which is 17 into 2. 17 into 2 is equal to 34. So we can write here 34. Now here we have one blank. Okay. Now listen here. This one's digit is 9. 9 means 3 square is equal to 9. 7 square is equal to 49. These two numbers we have possible, isn't it? Okay. Now here 34 means we can apply 3. 343 into 3. If you add here 3 means here also 3. So 343 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 1 balance. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 2. 12 plus 1 3. 30. 1 balance. 3 3s are 9. 0. Isn't it? 343 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 4 3. Sorry. Here not 1 balance. Isn't it? 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Isn't it? Now 343 into 3 equal to 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 1 balance. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. 1029. Now we will get that remainder is 0. So what's the square root value? 17.3. Therefore, square root of 299.29 is 17.3. So we can write square root of 299.29 is equal to 17.3. Are you clear? Exercise 3.5. Using long division method, find the square root of the following numbers. Okay, first question, 544.7556. Okay, now we can divide it into period wise. 544.7556. Right to left, we can split into period. First, then next two numbers, then last one digit. This is the first period. Okay. Now here, 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square, 25, 6 square, 36, 7 square, 49, 8 square, 64, 9 square, 81 and 10 square is equal to 100. Isn't it? Now listen here, 5. Here 1 into 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Here 4 is possible, isn't it here? So we can take 2 times. 2 2s are 4. Isn't it? Now we can subtract 5 minus 4 is 1. Now we can twice this quotient. Quotient is 2. If you twice means we'll get one new divisor, isn't it? So 2 2s are 4. Now here one blank space we can fill here. Now here 42 into here we can add 2 means now we can take this period down. Isn't it? Next period is 44. So bring down this period. 144. This is the new dividend. Isn't it? Now listen here. This 4 here we want to add one number. Which number? 42 means 42 into 2, 84, isn't it? But here 144. If you add 3 means 43 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 129. This is nearest 144, isn't it? So we can add here 3, here also 3. So 129. Now we can subtract what? 14 minus 9 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now listen here, we have decimal. So we can put this decimal here after this 3. Now here next period we can take down this 75 is next period. So we can take here 75. Okay. Now next this quotient is multiplied by 2. Twice this quotient. So 23 into 2, 46. So we can add here 46. Next one, blank space. Now here which number we can add? 46 means here point. Now here 1575 we need, isn't it? So we can add here 2 means 4602 into 2, 8000 or 9000 will get. Otherwise we can add here 3 means, just to check it, 3 means 463. 463 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 1 balance. 6 3s are 18, plus 1, 19, 1 balance. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. 1399. Now we can subtract. Here to here take borrow. 15 minus 9, 6. Here 7. Here to here take borrow. 16. 16 minus 9, 7. Okay. Now here 4. 4 minus 1 is, 4 minus 3 is 1. 176 is the new dividend. Now we can take next period down. 56. Next step, this quotient is doublet, isn't it? 233. 233. Take together. 233 into 2. 233 into 2. 664. 466. 466. Then here we can add one number. Isn't it? Now listen here. Here 6 we have. 6 means we have 4 and only 4. Isn't it? 4 4s are 16 or 6. 4 or 6 we can add. Isn't it? If you add 4 means 4 6 6 4 into 4. Isn't it? Now here 4 4s are 16. 1 balance. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. 2 balance. Now 6 4s are 24. 26. 2 balance. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. 17,656. So we can add here 4. Okay? 4. So the 17,656, that remainder is 0. Therefore we can write thus root of 544.7556 equal to 23.34 is the answer. 23.34 is the answer. Are you clear? Okay. Then one more question. 7,106.49. Now we can split into the period. Okay, 7,006.49 to one period, then next period, then this is the first period. We have even number, isn't it? Even number of digits. So all periods we have 2 digits, isn't it? Now listen here. Here we have 71. We can take first period 71. Now listen here. 71 means 64, 81. We can take 64, isn't it? So 8 8s are 64. Now we can subtract it. 11 minus 4 is 7. Isn't it? 7 is remainder. Now we can take this next period is bring down 0, 6. Now twice this quotient. 8 2s are 16. This is new divisor and new dividend also. Isn't it? Now we can take here 6, isn't it? Now here we can take, if you have take 4 means 4 4s are 16, isn't it? Now we have take 4 means, just you check it, 164 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 1 balance, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25, 2 balance, 1 into 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 656, nearest 706, isn't it? So we can write here, listen, here we can write 656. Now we can subtract it, 6 minus 6, 0. Here to here take borrow, 10 minus 5 is 5, 50. Now next step, now we can take next period down, 49. Here decimal, so we can put here one decimal. Okay. Now here 84 into 2. Twice this quotient. 84 into 2. 84 into 2 is equal to 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 168. Then we can add here one number. Now listen. Here 9. We have ones digit 9. 9 means 3 3s are 9. 7 7s are 49. 3 and 7. We can check first. 3 and 7. Okay. Now here 168. We can add here 3 means 3 into 3. Isn't it? 3 3s are 9. 8 3s are 24. 2 balance. 6 3s are 18 plus 2 20. 2 balance. 1 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 5. So we got. Isn't it? 5049. So 3 times. Okay. So 5049. What is the remainder? 0. Thus we can write what's the value? Square root value of 7106.49 equal to 84.3 is the answer. 84.3 is the answer. Are you clear? Two important points. Okay. If a square number has even number of digits, say n. Okay. Even number of digits, that is say n. Then the number is divided into n by 2 periods. Therefore, the number of digits in the square root will also be n by 2. For example, 4359. Now we have 2 periods, isn't it? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means even, that is n. n is equal to 4. Number of digits is 4, that is n. What's the formula? n by 2. So n by 2 is equal to n. Value of n is equal to 4 divided by 2. Now we can cut using 2 table. 1, 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. 2. We have 2 periods. Did you get here 2 periods? Yes. Suppose you find the square root value using division method. That goes. Now second one, if a square number has odd number of digits means that is m, then the number of period can be divided into is m plus 1 by 2. That is odd means we can use m plus 1 by 2. Number of digit is m. Okay. For example here 5, 7, 9, 2, 1. This is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't it? Here first, second period, then this is 3 period. We have 3 periods. Now we can check. Now m plus 1 by 2. M is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 digits. So m is equal to 5. Now m plus 1 by 2 equal to value of m is equal to 5 plus 1 by 2 equal to 6 by 2. 1, 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. 3 periods. Did you get 3 periods? 1, 2, 3. 3 periods. Then the square root of such a number will have m plus 1 by 2. The square root value that quotient also 3 digits. Are you clear? Fine. Next question. Find the number of digits in the square root of. Here, first question. 13 crore 66 lakh 416. Here, the square number has how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits. 8 is even. Even means what formula? N by 2. Isn't it? N by 2. The square number has 8 digits. The square root will thus have n by 2. Isn't it? Here n is equal to, here n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Isn't it? 8. So n by 2 means 8 by 2. N by 2 means 8 by 2. Isn't it? So here n by 2 is equal to 8 by 2. 1, 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. Okay. Your 4 is for how many digits? 4 digits. Okay, what's the answer? Find the number of digits. 4 digits in the square root of 13 crore 66 lakh 406. Now next question. Here we can write the solution. The square number has how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. 7 is odd, isn't it? 7 is odd. The square root will thus have this is odd means what formula? M plus 1 by 2. Isn't it? M plus 1 by 2 equal to, here M is equal to 7. M is equal to 7 digits. So 7 plus 1 by 2 equal to 8 by 2. 1, 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8 equal to 4. So how many digits? 4 digits. Here answer 4 digits. Okay. Then how many period? 1, 2, 3, 4 period. Period also 4. Clear? Okay. Now homework book page number 45, exercise 3.5, question number 1, 7th question. We can continue next class. Okay. Thank you.